checks started relatively soon, sometime in April.
Given the
I
corona,
have not, though. I
yeah,
have not talked to any individual. Excuse me.
you know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
That's,
that you
no, actually, that's true. But fortunately, I'm alone in my home. But that's okay.
All right.
But I agree. You're right.
You should just, it's kind of old school to do it with your hand. Do it into your elbow. You're supposed to do it.
Thank you.
Let me ask you, given the coronavirus pandemic.